Hey everyone, Diana here with the Martis team. I am at our beautiful new listing in Woodstock, Georgia. It's in the Tuscany Village community and it's 4 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms, and over 3,000 gorgeous square footage. And I wanted to give you a sneak peek. Come on and let's take a look. All right, as we make our way inside this stunning 9-foot door, into the foyer where you can see the Italian architecture. And this home was built in 2022 by Kittle Homes. So you've got a grand circular staircase that goes all the way up to the 3rd floor. Beautiful open concept living space. Got coffered ceilings, of course, recessed lighting. Double ovens, and the sellers barely lived in here, so the gas range, has never been used. The ovens, even the microwave. Beautiful quartz countertops. And look at this view. Who wouldn't want to cook in this kitchen? Entertaining at its best. You've got a lovely fireplace. Just take a look at that. So I've made my way up to the 2nd level, just taking all of this in and a gorgeous view down to the kitchen. And right there, as I mentioned, is the elevator shaft. And we're going to take a look into the first owner suite. Got tray ceilings. And then check out this ensuite. His and hers closets, both walk-in, of course. This one is in the ensuite, and the other is located in the bedroom. All right, let's go check out the secondary bedrooms. Okay, here we have the first. As I mentioned before, this is a 4-bedroom, 3 full baths and 1 half bath. So this room actually has access to the 2nd full bathroom, where the shower actually has never been used, barely lived in. All right, let's go take, and you have laundry also on this level, so let's take a look there. And of course you have a sink. And now we will make our way up to the 2nd owner suite. This railing, the hardwoods, everything about this is just stunning. Okay, so before we take a peek in there, I want to show you, this is a bonus room. So yeah, you have 4 bedrooms, but then you have this space, which could easily be turned into a gym or a media room. And then you could actually explore the possibilities of building out this attic space. So it's spray foam insulation. Definitely lots of possibilities here. All right, let's go take a look at the 2nd owner suite. And check out this space here. Got a sitting room, plenty of space here in this owner suite. And here we have, of course, walk-in closet. And then private ensuite. Quartz countertops throughout. And of course, tiled. So that was the tour. I hope you enjoyed. If you'd like to come and take a look in person, I can promise you, you will not be disappointed. Give us a call at 770-450-5636, and either myself or Chris would love to give you a private showing. Talk to you soon.